One of the other major benefits of Playwright is the Playwright extension. So if you want to install the extension, just go to this extension icon, click on it, and then search for Playwright test for VS Code and go ahead and install it. Once the extension is installed and everything is all right, then you will actually see this extension toolbar with this live back icon. So the extension actually allows you to run tests as well as debug any tests that you might have. Let's take this example of the to-do app, which is the inbuilt test that comes with the Playwright package. So now if I want to run a test, all that I'll have to do is either select a test at a global level and then run this so that all the tests under the global description will actually be run, or I can actually select a particular test to run. So maybe I'll just go ahead and run this particular test. So yeah, the test got run, and you can actually see the results instantly. So we have a green check mark here, which means the test is passed. If you want to go to the test, then click on this option and it will automatically go to the test and the code. Now if I want to, for example, debug the test, I can actually introduce a breakpoint using VS Code and then click on the debug icon. And yeah, I can continue to play and then see how it worked. Alright, so now I could actually debug a test right using my extension. But if I want to actually pick a particular locator, Playwright actually lets you to pick a locator, and it also gives you auto sessions on the locator that you may want to use in your code. So let me open duckduckgo.com, and then if I select a particular element, you can see that Playwright automatically gives a locator option with what needs to be searched using the locator, right? But let's say if I want to get this particular icon, I can use this locator called get by role, and then the nature of the icon is a button, of course, because it's used for search. Then if I want to search that in my code, all that I use is the name of this button, which is search, and the matches should be absolutely true. Yeah, that's an optional field anyway. So if you want, you can go ahead and inspect as well to see what Playwright gives from a developer option standpoint. So now if you want to record a new test, of course, you can also look at the other chapter that we have on CodeGen. You can either use CodeGen or use this record new option to record a new test. Record at cursor will basically let you record a new test or a bunch of lines of codes which has these locators from a cursor from where you left the cursor in a particular code. And if you want to look at the test output, just click on reveal test output, which will actually give you more information about how long it took for the test to run and any other information about the pass or fail, or maybe even the log of the test which has failed. So that's pretty much about the extension. It's pretty neat, nifty, and the extension keeps evolving. So stay tuned to the Playwright channels to understand what's new, and keep updating the extension so that you get the latest and greatest from the Playwright team.